Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing apps, specifically Spaceship. Now, Spaceship has become a popular option, especially for young investors. But have you ever felt a little, lost in space with it? Maybe unsure about how to manage your investments or even how to get out? Fear not, intrepid space travelers. This video will equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about Spaceship, including a critical step, how to stop investing if that's what you decide is best for you. Let's back up a bit. What is Spaceship? Spaceship is an investment app designed for beginners. It allows you to invest in a pre-selected portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Basically, it bundles a bunch of different stocks together, offering diversification and potentially lower risk. Sounds great, right? The allure of Spaceship, convenience and simplicity. There's no doubt Spaceship makes investing accessible. You can set up an account in minutes, deposit funds easily, and the app does the heavy lifting of choosing investments. For busy people or those new to investing, this convenience can be very appealing. But hold on, there might be a black hole we haven't considered. However, with any investment platform, there are always things to consider. Here are a couple of key points to keep in mind with Spaceship. Limited control. You don't get to choose the specific investments within your Spaceship portfolio. The app picks them for you, which might not align with your individual goals or risk tolerance. Fees. While Spaceship boasts low fees compared to traditional brokers, they do take a cut of your investment returns. These fees can add up over time, especially for long-term investments. So, you've decided to exit Spaceship. How do you do it? Now, let's say you've weighed the pros and cons and decided Spaceship isn't the right fit for you anymore. No problem. Here's how to smoothly exit the app and take control of your investments. Sell your investments. Within the Spaceship app, you'll find an option to sell your entire portfolio. Be aware that depending on market conditions, you might experience some capital gains or losses during this process. Withdraw your funds. Once your investments are sold, you can choose to transfer the remaining funds to your linked bank account. Consider alternative options. The world of investing is vast. Research other platforms offering more control or different investment vehicles that might better suit your needs. Remember, you're the captain of your financial journey. Taking charge of your investments can feel daunting, but it's empowering. Remember, you have options. Spaceship might be a great starting point, but it's not the only one out there. Do your research, ask questions, and choose a platform that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.